latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The entire world is reeling under pressure due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Many countries have been under strict lockdown in order to prevent the surge in COVID-19. Over 15 million people have been infected with COVID-19. Testing has increased rapidly in most countries. Brazil is currently the second worst affected country in the world. Brazil is also the worst affected country in Latin America. Residents of Sao Paulo, Brazil's largest state and city, were queuing up to receive a free COVID-19 test. Sao Paulo is the worst affected region in Brazil at the moment. Sao Paulo currently has more than 585,000 COVID-19 cases and more than 24,000 deaths. Healthcare has been overwhelmed with the deadly pandemic. Many families queued up for almost 9 hours to get their COVID-19 test done. Around 200 people queued up to receive tests in the city. The drive-through tests were carried out at a biological research center in the state of Sao Paulo. The tests were conducted in the parking lot of a city mall. The COVID-19 test is free but limited for the residents of Sao Paulo. Only 400 people can be tested per day, and the initiative will run only till August 10th. A resident wanted to get tested for herself and her family after they had come in contact with a relative who caught the virus.
Aliás, viemos e o segurança orientou a gente que seria bom a gente chegar mesmo para dormir, para conseguir pegar, né, a vaga. Aí hoje viemos para dormir, passamos a noite aqui com as crianças.
After spending 11 hours in the car, she and her family were finally tested. A volunteer said that their goal was to find out if the asymptomatic people are carrying the virus or not.
Nosso objetivo com essa ação é descobrir se as pessoas assintomáticas elas estão portando o vírus ou não. Porque pelo fato de você não ter exame, você frequenta vários lugares e você também transmite o vírus para outras pessoas.
Drive-in testing initiatives have been increasingly common among Brazilian cities. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has been severely criticized for his handling of the crisis. There were nationwide protests in Brazil against the government because of the economic crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic. Bolsonaro had recently tested positive for COVID-19. The people of Brazil are hoping that things are back to normalcy in the coming months. Brazil at the moment has over 28 lakh COVID-19 cases, and over 95,000 people have succumbed to the deadly disease. Over 2 lakh people have recovered from COVID-19.